Hi, today I'll show you how to make a quick, fresh side salad using turnip, carrot, and green apple. It's crisp, refreshing, and a healthier alternative to classic coleslaw. Welcome to my channel, Cooking Show at Home. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. If you enjoy simple, fresh recipes like this one, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work. For this salad, you'll need a small turnip about 2 to 2.5 inches in diameter or smaller. At this size, turnips are usually mild, lightly sweet, and have a nice, firm crunch. 1 medium carrot. 1 green apple, something tart and crisp like Granny Smith or Golden Delicious. Start by peeling the turnip, carrot, and apple. Cut off the ends of the turnip and carrot. Using a box grater with large holes or a food processor with a shredding disc, grate the turnip, carrot, and apple. Transfer everything to a large mixing bowl. Add the lemon juice, sugar, black pepper to taste, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Drizzle in the olive oil, then toss well until everything is evenly coated. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding more salt if needed. Cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator before serving. It tastes best cold and crisp. For serving, you can use a cup or small bowl to shape the salad neatly on the plate. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy, healthy dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.